Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 VW T-Roc SEL. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 42 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 19 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 24,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the Metallic Deep Black and looks in good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have inside, got the nice clean interior. The seats there have got the white trim on the outer edge, which certainly brightens things up. And there's an armrest and two cup holders for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth, for example. And this car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control, and then on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. The T-Roc's a great car for the family, so nice wide door opening for the back, lots of legroom and headroom if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre, as well as their own charging ports as well. And that's open the tailgate on the T-Roc. You've got the really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, which is at its lowest point at the moment, but you can increase that if you wish. And below that, you've also got your tyre inflator kit, as well as a bit of extra storage. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.